Hey beauty, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning out my garage because I have a very exciting delivery coming and I want the garage to be all set up and ready for when it arrives because I am so beyond excited and I'm ready to start using it. The garage isn't that bad, it just kind of needs some organizing and like sweeping, but it is kind of just like a hot mess and in a state of disarray. I am not looking forward to it at all, especially because my allergies have been driving me nuts. I wish I had like a mask from 2020 still, but I think I threw them all out. I feel like that would definitely help with my allergies, especially being in the garage. But anyways, I'm rambling because I do not want to get started. It's like already noon and I've been putting this off all morning. So I need to just go in there and start somewhere and get it done because I know it's gonna be worth it. It always is. I did get some PR. Also, I'm getting a FabFitFun delivery. I want to unbox that with y'all on camera. Y'all are just gonna spend the week with me and let's go ahead and just go get started on this garage. This is what we're working with. Like I said, it's not that bad, but it's just a big state of disarray where we just haven't put things back where they belong, and then just like random things we've gotten rid of, parts of projects. I'm still deciding if I want to keep this weight bench here and these weights, but I just feel like it's taking up too much room. A lot of these shelves are just like empty with random stuff that should not go here. I have no idea where I'm gonna start, but I do need to start. I washed and blow dried my hair today and it feels so good to have nice clean hair, especially after cleaning out the garage yesterday, which I feel like I did make some good progress in there. I didn't get it completely done just because there's stuff that we need to go through, throw out, take to storage. We agreed that the bike would probably be best in our primary bedroom because I do have space for it, but I really want to get into my FabFitFun summer box, which I actually have two on the way. The one that I'm about to open is PR, and the one that's still on the way I actually pay for myself because I love FabFitFun so much that I'm okay with getting two boxes every season. I was able to custom this one. This is the summer box. I have opened it just to see what was in there. I couldn't wait. First, I want to talk about this Desi spray because they actually had this in like one of their flash sales. This is the Desi Skin Do Me Over Prep Set and Refresh Face Mist. It has vitamin C, caffeine, ceramides, and hyaluronic acids to help your skin stay balanced and strong. Can be used on bare skin to prep and hydrate or after makeup application to set your look. I've been using this for a few days now and I'm actually really liking it, and I got a good discount through FabFitFun. That's also where I got my Dibs Duo Stick, which I absolutely love as well. And I did get a discount through FabFitFun. I did do a couple other add-ons with the box that I actually purchased, but in this box I was very excited for this cute little cooler tote. It does have a crossbody strap with the little shoulder pad. It has the one pocket right here in the front. It is insulated, which it doesn't have any extra pockets. We are planning a beach trip this year and I thought this would be cute. Also, this is good for like baseball games or going to the pool, things like that. Next in the box are these Gatherall nipple covers, which I really like that it comes in a darker color. This is actually mocha. It might be a little too dark for me now, but in the summertime, after a couple pool days and some self-tanner, it's gonna match perfectly. They are actually super thin. They don't have like a weird little bubble, and I like how big they are. They're also supposed to be washable and reusable. I did also get this Volition Getaway Glow Gradual Tan Firming Body Moisturizer. I'm excited to try this, especially because because it says that it is a firming moisturizer. So this will be good for the summer. Another beauty product I'm very excited for is this Cracked Heel Souffle. Helps dry and cracked heels, deep hydration. It is whipped shea butter, vitamin E, vitamin C, and Carlander seed oil. Ooh, look how thick and creamy that looks. It is a nice whipped texture too. Maybe I should put some on now. I do try to go in with a pumice stone every time I shower, but you know, when you wear sandals all the time, your heels just naturally get cracked. I actually really like the lightweight texture. Sometimes like cracked heel cream is just too thick, and I feel like I can only put it on at night. It smells pretty good too. Next in the box are these Array Bloat Alchemy capsules. It says, say goodbye to belly bloat and take charge of your digestion. I'm actually pretty sure that I got this in my other FabFitFun box as well. I'm not mad at it because now I have 2 months worth of this product, so I can really see if after 2 months there's a huge difference. It says take 2 to 3 capsules immediately after your meal. Whether you've had an indulgent dinner or need overall digestion help, we've got your back. Which actually I just had like 4 slices of Little Caesars pizza. I'm actually not going to take it now because I want to share these other vitamins that I just got in from Amazon that I've been trying for like the last week. I might finish those first and then start these. The last thing in my box is this Alley-oop 11th Hour Cream Eyeshadow and Liner Stick in the color Baby Pearl. My eyes are so red right now because my allergies are so bad. Ooh, I like that. Pretty. It's even pretty on the nose. Now I have a little highlight stick, which actually I didn't have a lot of highlight in my collection. With the summer coming up, I'm all about it. Like I could even do it here. That's actually so pretty. I'm very happy for this. Now for another PR box. This is by WELLA, which I love WELLA hair products. It's actually the shampoo and conditioner that I'm using. This is their Ultimate Repair Miracle Hair Rescue. I did actually use it today with my blow dryer. They have 2 other products in this line. This is the Protective Leave-In. It has thermal and UV protection, repairs and smooths. I wonder if I could use this spray for when I do like overnight curls instead of just using water, use a protectant like this. I might try that out actually. And then they do have an Ultimate Repair Mask with AHA and Omega 9. Love me a good hair mask. It's nice and creamy, but also like not too heavy. It's kind of like a whipped texture. I'll have to try this out soon. Now on to my Amazon orders. These are just random things that I've placed orders for recently, and I wanted to share because they're not clothes or anything like that, so I'm not going to do a haul for it, which I did order clothes. I have like 3 fashion hauls hanging right here for me to film right now. So expect some clothing hauls coming soon, but I do want to talk about these Let Me Burn Metabolism and AMPK Activator. And then this is the Let Me De-Bloat Daily Digestive Enzymes and Probiotics. I'm not gonna lie, I was definitely influenced to try this one. So when I looked it up on Amazon, they had them in a set with Let Me Burn and the Let Me De-Bloat. I feel like I've been pretty regularly working out, whether it's been like lifting weights and doing workout videos on YouTube or just like doing Stairmaster for 30 minutes. Maybe it's because my age, I just turned 35, but I've had a significantly harder time like actually dropping weight. So when I saw an ad for this, I ran to Amazon immediately. I've been using both of these for about a week now, and I will say that I am wearing my like skinny jeans, like the jeans that I wear when I'm feeling skinny. So I kind of feel like these are working, even though I was skeptical. I want to try these out a little bit longer just to see. So I'll be updating you on these, but so far so good. Time will tell, I guess. So this is actually some replacement bulbs for my candle lamp, but I kept the box here because I wanted to show you. I put my candle lamp on a smart plug, and so now I can just have Alexa turn it on and off. I personally love using a candle warmer lamp because it makes your candles just last a lot longer. Oh my gosh, I completely forgot that I ordered these. They were on major deal. I think this like 32-piece set ended up being like $7, which I really was in need of some new makeup brushes. And I kind of like how short these are because they'll be good to travel with, but it basically had everything that I needed. I hope they're good, but it did have some good reviews. It has one of these little brow brushes. It also has a spoolie, all of these flat brushes, and then a couple of fan brushes for like highlight, which these are good if you're highlighting right here, down the bridge of your nose. It also has foundation and like little mini powder brushes. I'm not mad at these. We got the bike moved into the room and Josh is gonna put it together while I get the kids down. I'll probably end up moving this chair like over in this section. That way it can kind of face out this way towards the TV. We'll have to figure out where the dogs' beds are gonna go, but there should be room for them right here. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You're gonna get to use this too, boo. And it has a big screen. Yeah, I'm excited. I fell asleep last night with the kids, but this is what I woke up to. I'm so excited. I already have it set up so I can do a little bike ride this morning, and Josh even moved around the furniture for me, which is so sweet. The bike does have wheels, so when I'm done using it, I can just roll it to that corner and it's out of the way. But look at this little beauty. It does have the huge screen, which if you just get on it and start writing, it will light up with all the info here. But it does have a little scan code for their app, and I did already download it. It's basically just like a Peloton where you do a subscription and you can watch different videos and do all sorts of different stuff on it. Okay, so here is the screen. This is what automatically comes up when you start pedaling. You don't have to connect it to an app or anything like that. This right here does come up and it has the scan code so you can download their app, which I did do. I did start a subscription for this app. It has videos, workouts, weekly goals, but they do have other things like there's yoga class, strength training, stretching, and even cardio. It does connect via Bluetooth, but you do have to plug it into a screen. Once you plug it in, it'll share the screen with your big screen. There is a volume knob right here. I'm gonna do the beginner burn and shape.
What's going on, YESOUL fam, and welcome to the YESOUL family. This is your 15-minute first ride. So we're gonna really break down everything you should know about this bike so that you guys get well acquainted, become BFFs, so that you know your reason why, you know how capable you are on this bike, and then you're gonna be encouraged to go further and further with each and every workout you choose from here on out. So lock into the bike, slide your feet into those cages. Whatever you chose for this first ride is perfectly fine. One big, deep, welcoming breath, and as you exhale, draw your belly button in as if it's going to kiss your spine, and get a light grip right on these back handlebars for me. Slowly start picking up this pace, and give me 2 full turns to the right. Now, as this music goes, and as your feet glide and catch that beat that just kicked in, crank up the music a little bit.
I feel it in my legs already.
Nice.
We haven't even started.
This is for you to find your confidence, joining this YESOUL family, embracing what this bike can do for you. And it can always be a solid full body workout. So every time you walk in, you have so much opportunity on this bike. Thank you guys for riding with me. Again, my name is Chloe. I'll see you on your next ride. See you later.
Oh my goodness, look at how much I'm sweating. Wow, and I only did like 15 minutes. It's safe to say that I am completely obsessed with this thing. I feel like I got a full body workout. It even has a little spot right here. I'm thinking for weights, so I'm gonna grab like a maybe 4 or 5 pound little dumbbell set, and I'll store them here. That way when I'm just like riding, I could do arm weights if I wanted. 10 out of 10, totally recommend if you're looking for a bike or a workout machine that's gonna do all in one. I definitely recommend this one. It's so chic, and look at how easy I can just lift it up and roll it out of the way. Look at it, it's beautiful, it's so convenient. I probably could even just keep it right there and work out right there if I wanted. I love this thing so much, and as you can see, I'm so sweaty. So I'm gonna run and hop in the shower now, but thank you so much for hanging out with me in this vlog. I have a ton of try-on videos to film, so be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, turn on my bell notifications, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.